Hello everyone, I'm Jay,
I'm Val.
and today we are in St. Charles, Missouri at the St. Charles Convention Center, and we, for the first time ever, I should probably just speak for myself. Have you ever been to a train show?
I have never been to a train show.
So we are here at the Great Train Show. I have no idea what to expect other than trains.
Lots and lots of them.
Lots and lots of them. So what are you expecting?
I know they have like some scenes set up with the trains running, and then they have a lot of vendors selling stuff too, so that'll be neat to see.
Yeah, we'll try to show you everything that has to do with the trains themselves and the accessories to set up what they call layouts. So come along with us as we Jay and Val around the Great Train Show 2023. So here in this booth we are at Miniature World, and they do all of the models for all of the what they call layouts. So they do all of the facades and the different buildings and all of the accessories that you would need for your layout. So let's check out a few. And these are some of the buildings that you could add to your layout. And check this out. These are some tanks.
Barbie, where's your bag?
And these buildings here would be like small town buildings. You got your barber shop right here, huh?
So these are actual kits that you can buy.
Wow, so they have a cottage here. And this here is like a bridge.
So she was just showing me. These are actual kits that you can buy. These are actual kits that you can buy and do. And you've got to be very creative because it's literally little bitty pieces that you glue together to make.
Wow.
Aren't those cool? So this was something like that at one time.
Now in this booth here, we were at SEK Hobby Supply. And you can look them up and check them out. So check this out. These are all the different facades and also 3D buildings. They all come in kits. This one here is a concrete warehouse. A single track arched rat truss bridge. Wow, that's a mouthful right there. American bungalow. Frost and ice storage. And these right here are urban retaining walls. This one's pretty neat. A coaling tower. And these are all things that you would build to help your layout. They also have all different types of tracks. And I was told they're all N gauge. It's so interesting to me because I have no clue about any of this stuff. And today I am getting a crash course.
So look at this, they've actually got it, it's a tornado module, and it's showing a tornado come down. It's getting ready to start. There it comes. Watch, it actually has the sirens. And it goes across the city. That is so cool. That is so cool. And there it goes.
Wow, check out this UFO. It's lifting a cow up.
It looks like the farmer's trying to save the cow by pulling it back down.
Oh yeah. So this is a asphalt refinery.
The facades are amazing. The rock looks like it's real rock, and it's not.
No, it's fine. The cup was not.
So look at this waterwork. It's amazing. It looks like a real river or a lake.
No stop.
And this here is a wilderness lodge.
And then
This is really cool. It's a hotel, and it looks like old-time city, small town, VHW. Chew male pouch tobacco. And then we have a whole farm with the farmhouse. It's a weird like barn with the silos. Check this out, they have a McDonald's with 15-cent hamburgers. When did that happen? Did that ever happen? There's no way. 15-cent hamburgers?
That's crazy.
And this display here is the Mississippi Valley N-scalers, right?
Yes, from St. Louis. I just can't get over these trains. Look at the Tootsie Roll. And if you look at the facades, it just looks like it's real.
Check out this train right here. It's doing a figure eight. It is calling Bud. It almost catches the back of itself.
Yeah.
So these are really cool. These are actual switch lights from railroads. They've actually made it into a light that you can plug in.
Wow. That is really cool. They repurposed it.
And they have some of the old tools also.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Well, as well. Now, anybody watching this, if these bring back memories, leave a comment down below.
Maybe he's asking if he needed anything out of the car.
Alrighty, the Great Train Show 2023 is over. So, what'd you think about it, Val?
It was very interesting. A lot of knowledge you have to have for this. I didn't realize how many different sizes of trains and tracks there were. It's crazy.
Yeah, for each one of the letters, the further along in the alphabet, the smaller the track. And so like a G is very big, but like an N is really small. Yeah, so that was kind of cool to learn.
Oh yeah.
And everybody was really, really knowledgeable and very nice.
Very friendly, offering all kinds of information.
Yeah, answered all of our questions for sure. We came in here with literally a blank canvas, and just to leave here with just a little bit of information is pretty cool.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It will let you know when our next video comes out, and it will also keep you in the loop. We just want to thank you for viewing and coming along with us. We want to thank you for Jay and Valing around with us.
So if you're from St. Louis, you'll understand the sign.